Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahushua Mashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the 29th of July 2024. It's 12:59 p.m. Eastern Time. And right now I'm in a live trade here on ES. And we're taking a Black Sun strategy here where we're taking the breakdown of first upper deviation +1 plus V +1 VWAP. So we have first entry here at 55.1375. That got stopped out here at 55.1775. Re-entered here at 55.1950. Added to the position here on the breakdown here of 55.15. Added here on break even at 55.1725. And added here on the retest of this +1 VWAP from the ETH, from the Euro session, sorry. So added there at 55.18. And just waiting for it to break down now. So break even is at 1755, 1735. And this is my resistance here, +1 VWAP on Euro and ETH session. Let me just make sure that my VWAP here for RTH session is set. It's supposed to be set. Alright, show VWAP line, that's why it's not showing up. Alright, so that's updated. And we have this algo here where it's gonna kind of corrupt the heat map a little bit. This real red algo right there, the bracketing orders. So I kind of reinforced or boosted these smaller orders in the back here to be a little more prevalent, because they get skewed when these bigger orders are in between these brackets here. So this will actually be, let's see how much it, 135 on the ask. That'll usually be a little more orange color. This one here is 182. So I kind of dropped the settings a little bit. Let me just show you where I do that. Just right click on the chart, go to heat map settings, and you can lower the cutoff here, and I raise the cutoff, right? You can lower that a little bit, and then you lower the upper cutoff, right? So when you lower that there, you get to see a little more on the chart. So the liquidity that's skewed, you can get to see that a little more. All right, so just waiting for this to break down here. Let's go into a little more minutia. Zoom in a little bit, and we see that, you know, buyers are hitting the ask. And hold on 1 second. All right, I'm back. I was actually making some tea, so I had to go grab the tea, or else that buzzer will keep going off. So let that tea brew a little bit there. We're still pushing above my break-even point. This is still resistance, looking for sellers, big sellers to push it down. And on the candle chart, 5-minute chart is basically we're at the top of a range here. So I'm expecting this to break down at least a VWAP. I'm trying to get, I believe it's 10 points. Yeah, something roughly like 10 points, 11 points. So basically trying to get the VWAP, see what it does at VWAP. If we get heavy selling at VWAP, then I'm gonna try and extend the take profit. All right, so we're going through POC, heavy selling. We got some sellers. All right, we got some volume here. We got some volume on the sellers here. No volume, no selling volume there though. Showing selling volume, but that's a buying candle. So all these little things you gotta look at. Like, are they spoofing my sellers? They absorbing sellers? What's going on here? Because when you get this selling candle and it's a buying candle and a buying bubble, then something is amiss there. I still don't trust this short. Let's zoom out a little bit. Oh, I didn't switch over the screen. I gotta make sure I look at that. And sometimes I get caught up with that. All right, so zooming out here, we have something like let's see here, we call it, yeah, it's a bull flag. And I also have this new thing from Bookmap here where trader map light. I do have it here. I think it's somewhere behind one of these here. All right, that's the ES higher time frame. Let me bring that across. That's Trader Map Pro. And let's see, ES time light, I think it's called. So this is the one without the algo. So it looks much like how it used to look on the heat map. So already made my profit on gold this morning. Had a few videos here. You could check them out before. The ones prior to this video. Traded ES and gold in the Euro session. So that went well. Had a couple stop outs on some of them, but eventually it went well. Right now I'm actually giving back the profits on ES, but right now we're back up because we're moving in profit. Let's see Trader Map Pro, what Trader Map Pro is saying. So we have this liquidity down here at 50.80. Not really saying much on Trader Map Pro, not much liquidity. 56.04 over here and 50.86 over here. Someone's looking a little strange with that there. Let me just unsubscribe and let's do this again. Trader Map Pro. All right, so let's see. Let's take this one off, create one, and I wanna add filters, order size. I wanna do from like about 80. Right. And play. So what we got sellers here, I'm hearing some drums. Where's my sellers? Oh, this trader is really playing games, man. It's looking like it just wants to break out bullish, to be honest. All right, so that's the ES light without the what's it called, the algo brackets. And let's see what the trader map is saying. All right, we got some different levels here, 55.21 and 55.15, 55.23. Looking like it's moving up on the ask. Looking like they're coming to stop me out, yo. Right, so this is still my resistance level, +1. Let's see if we get sellers coming in to help my trade right there. +1 on the ETH and the Euro. So right now I'm giving back all my profits from the Euro session. I was just at break even below here, but looking like we're giving back this profits here. Oh, I got stopped out. Damn, they stopped me out. Why they stop me out though? Oh yeah, that was my stop loss at 55.23. This one is a little higher. But this one isn't saying 55.23. Why is that? So I'm gonna just flatten this. It's looking like it was frozen there for a while, so right now I'm stopped out here. Let's see if it's gonna do a little retest for a buy off of Camaria R3. All right now I'm just looking to see if I wanna catch this breakout. Is it breakout potential? Possibly. Let's see here. Hmm. All right, the selling is looking like low volume coming back there. So I'm agreeing with that right now. Right now we had anchored VWAP for the week. So that's a tricky spot right there. Maybe you'll get some sellers right there again. Major selling coming off of that area. So should we stick with the Black Sun strategy or should we catch a buy here? Let's go down to the 5 minute. All right, we up here at +1 on the VWAP. We're getting sellers. Decent volume, nothing too crazy. So we're going to take the sell. All right, so we got the sellers here. Trying to be at 522 for the stop. $5.23 to be on the safe side. I need a little structure to safeguard my stop. So at least it's above this algo and above Camarilla artery. So we had this fake out. Let's see if it's going to be that. We had this fake out above. We had good volume on the buy and going up there. Then sellers started coming in. Let's see what we'll do here on the retest of plus V1. Stop is at 55.23. And it's looking like I got stopped out over here at 55.20. I didn't move my stop. Ah. And I forgot to move my stop over there and got stopped out over on this thing here. Think it's gonna hit my stop. Alright, it's looking like sellers coming back in. Hopefully we'll break down this plus V1 on both Euro and ETH session. All right, we're still rolling here. Let's see. Let me check the Forex chart. We're looking like a bowling green strategy on GBP USD. Let's see the US dollar. Let me go over here. The US dollar is looking like it's losing some strength. That should give the ES some buying power, but the ES is dropping. So let me just keep a close look on that correlating relationship right now. All right, so we have the ES short, the Black Sun strategy. Let me just label that. All right, looking like we're gonna get some more sellers. I have some aggression. Let's see here. Looking for this right here. Looking for aggressive sweeps. Looking for price change on the sell side. And also looking for sweeps pressure imbalance to the sell side. And we're looking for some spikes down below here on the sub chart. All right, we're getting buyers back above my break-even point. Don't like that. All right, sellers coming back in. That's looking good. It's real topsy-turvy, man. I think we're gonna get that nice little breakdown to my take profit somewhere around 55, 11, 55.07. I think I'll try and extend that to around 55. Oh, it didn't move. Right, now it's moving. Take profit at 55.0262, maybe 55.03. All right, everything is looking good to go. Still looking for some more sellers to take this down. All right, so we're moving into profit a little bit. Just waiting on this to actually move down a couple points. Actually about 4 6 points, to make it official that we actually in profit. All right, so we're moving down nicely on. Why is this is not moving right? I think it has a little delay with Bookmap. All right, so stop move down to 55, 15, 25. So let me move that stop down to, I think I'm gonna leave my stop at break even. We'll just move it down here to just below VWAP, just above +1 VWAP. Some of this stuff isn't moving properly, man. Still want my stop to be above plus VWAP, +1 VWAP. Let's see, short here at 55, 17, 11. So you can come check us out on Discord. See, we're here at Premium Tier Futures. Just telling them I'm short at 55, 17, 11. All right, so Dave said he's with me with 55, 19, 50 short. All right, so that stop loss just moved down. I still want to be above plus VWAP. So we're moving down into profit nicely. Let's come back down here. We got this iceberg to contend with at 55.10. Just typed in there that looking for 55.03 as my target. All right, so moving down nicely, moving down nicely. Coming into this iceberg, we're getting a little buyers bouncing here. Retesting this auction level here. Let's see if we get sellers right here. That's what I want to see. I want to see sellers as we retest this level here. We got to break down this value area high. Let's see, we got aggressive price change. We have aggressive sellers on gold. So let's take a look at the selling on gold. All right. Why does this look so dim? I think gold is changing contracts though. All right, we're starting to see good selling coming in here. Let's take these off. Right, we're looking for volume, nice volume selling through VWAP. That's VWAP right there, that purple line. Actually, hold on. VWAP session, ETH, and Euro session. So we're getting a little pullback here. This is VWAP from RTH session. So this is a whole VWAP area here. We got sellers coming through there. Oh, so my stop just moved down to 5507. So let me just make some adjustments as well. 5507. Why is this sticking like this? All right, so stop is at 5508.25. All right, so it's filled. And I think I'm gonna flatten over here as well. This is moving slow. I might have to close this bookmap and reopen it because I'm trying to flatten and nothing happening. All right, so let me do this real quick. All right, so that's the P&L on the day. It took 10 contracts from 55.17 to 55.07.50. Maybe I should write that in the chat, man. That's something to write about. So 55.17, what was it? 55.17.25. 55.16.25. Close this as well. 55.17.25 to 55.07.25. 17.25 to 55.07.25. 10 minis. 10 mini. All right, so yeah, putting up some numbers on the board today. So we up 3662.50 on this one, 42.50 on this one. All right, so that was the Black Sun strategy, basically back to VWAP. So you can see here, selling from here, breakdown of plus V1 and Camaria, and stopped out here at RTH VWAP. So yeah, now it's time to just document this trade here. So see, this is gonna be the boring part, so let me just throw back on Bookmap, because I think Bookmap was moving kind of slow, man. Like I was trying to move those limit orders and those stop orders and trail my stop, and it wasn't moving at all. Oh, so we have updates, so maybe that's part of the problem. Needed some updates, although those shouldn't really affect. Man, I'm still lingering around. It's like I'm looking for another trade, and that's already the trade right there. Let me just see here. Open this up. Right, so let me just do a quick recap here. So this is the strategy I'm working on. So this is plus V1, VWAP, right? That's anchored from the Euro session. This is Camarilla R3 here at 5521.8. Plus V1 is at 5520.27. So when we start getting this rejection from these levels here, push above it, breakdown, sellers entered here short at 5517.25. Got the breakdown of VPOC, push down to ETH VWAP. Let me just make sure that's ETH VWAP right there. Right, make sure my levels are in order. That's not it. What's this here? Right, and from the 28, right? So that's ETH VWAP, that blue line. Then this here, this white line is Euro session ETH, which I should put all of them kind of in sync in the same colors as Bookmap, but I'm gonna leave it for now. And then this yellow line here is RTH session anchored VWAP. So it took profit there at VWAP basically, right? Right there. And that's the trade. Basically, we're looking for maybe some more. This Black Sun strategy, you could get this short here from plus V1 all the way to minus V1, even to minus V2. You know what I'm saying? So right now, this is setting up like it's looking like it wants to continue. No. And let me just put this back here to this. We're here. All right, so yeah, if I do another trade, I'll do another video. All right, y'all, so that's the PNL on the day, 42.50 and 36.62.50, and that's the Black Sun strategy. All right, y'all, it's Malak Shalomo. Blessings and good tidings to you from Yahusha Mashiach and Yahuwah. That's our Elohim, so Baruch to you all.